all the applause to the end of the ceremony. Let's go. Look around us, there ain't no fences, just bridges to the ears of the listeners. On deck, take a swing, sharper senses, looking for a weakness in the system. Finally, it's you and me, here shaking like a tambourine. We in this finally, both sides of the cemetery. Attention people, y'all get ready. This is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out ahead. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up, we out ahead. That future hit. Are you ready? That future hit. Take a minute to refrain from acting green. If you're losing, you should join another team. Y'all should breathe, let me play another theme. At the start, this one nothing but a dream. Now it feels like victory, about to live another fantasy. Everybody clap with me, we're about to make history. Come on, attention people, y'all get ready. This is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out ahead. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up, we out ahead. That future hit. Are you ready? Do you believe in magic? Here it's automatic. La la la, ooh. Amazing how it's happening.
Thanks for watching our concept trailer. Hope you liked this video. If so, thumbs up the like button and simply share this video. And for amazing concept trailers like this way before the official release, subscribe our channel Annoyability Technology here and hit the bell notifications. And for now, check out our this video.